So in this video, I just want to show you a very easy construction technique by using your good old friend, a high quality mathematical compass. Okay? And one of the things where you will probably create the greatest benefit of this is when actually drawing in lines that are parallel to each other or perpendicular to some surface. So for instance, if I have this line here and I want to draw in lines that are parallel to each other, okay, and let's call it in this case, every 2 centimeters, and I'm not going to do too many because it's going to take too long. Where is there an easy way of doing this? Well, you can use a mathematical compass, okay? And the first thing that you need to do is you must make sure that you've got a sharp tip, and then very accurately you would place it on that point, okay? And then you go and you make a little mark on this side of that line. Oops, you see slipping on the glass table. Okay, but I think you will get the idea. Glass tables are not the greatest for working on. And you will make another little mark here. The next step is to open up this mathematical compass a bit wider. And then you go to that specific point, and you have to be very accurate about this. And again, I'm going to try and do this by looking past the camera on the glass table, and you make another little curve, okay? And you do the same for the other little mark that you made, okay? And you draw in that curve. Where those two lines intersect, okay? If you then draw a line through that point, as well as the original point where you wanted the line, and you still work very carefully, you will then have a line that is at 90 degrees to this. And you can measure it. I'm not going to measure it because I can know it's right, okay? So again, for the second one, make it smaller, put it exactly on that spot. I can't see past the camera too well, but I think I've got it. And you make a little mark, go to the other side, make a little mark. You then go and you open up your compass, doesn't matter how much, okay? Put it on that mark, make another little curve. Oops, and I slipped again, but I think it will be okay. Another one there. Make another little curve. Take your ruler again a good quality ruler, put it on that point, draw it in, okay? You will then see that this angle is 90 degrees, that angle is 90 degrees, this line and that line will be parallel to each other. It's going to solve you a lot of heartache. Okay, it's much easier than actually using a mathematical compass to try and do these construction techniques, okay?